Hi, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do vertigo effect, or also known as Dolly Zoom effect. So let's go and explore. What is the Dolly Zoom effect? The Dolly Zoom effect is when the camera zooms while it's moving in the opposite direction. You see this in the Hollywood movies like Jaws and Spy Games, and in big budget music videos of Michael Jackson's Thriller. The person stays in the same place, but the environment around them feel it's closing in. And this is typically done to show some psychological effect, or it shows something goes wrong. Make sure you are connecting with the Z by Play app. So when you are connecting, you have to press the option to select the vertigo effect from it, and there is an option you have to select this. Make sure this button is enabled, this blue button. So just make sure this blue button is enabled. When its option is enabled, you can zoom in the video, and I will show you, like, see, the video is zooming in. See, you have to see the video. Make sure on the zoom in full, and you can adjust the add point, and the second point you can make it zoom out the video. So by using this, see, I'm doing this thing, zoom out the video, and by doing this thing you can achieve the B point. So you have to select the B point, and after this one, there is option you can select the second. So I suggest you go for the easy number like 4 or 5 seconds. So I'm just selecting the 4 number. So after this one, you have to select the start option, and after pressing the start option, you have to go towards the object, means you have to move forward to the object. So by this way you can achieve a vertigo effect. So let's I will show you some of the examples. And you have to go towards the object, means you have to move forward to the object. So by this way you can achieve a vertigo effect. Let's connect the Smooth 4 and 10R together. So let's go and explore. I hope you like this tutorial, and by using this effect you can create really amazing vertigo effects. And I suggest you always use 4K videos, because you are going to zoom the video, so you are not reducing the quality of the video. So for the more amazing content, do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.
Can be like we used to, like we used to. Every time we complicated, I should've never have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around and start to love me better. Complicated, I should've never have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you come around and start to love me better. What do you gotta do? Don't walk away. To love me better. Every time we have all day, I put my realistic. I know how you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Can't be like